Today we're at Maricopa Middle School, home of the Indians, and we're here to... All right, we're back at Maricopa Middle School. We've got some 7th and 8th grade students working on the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 to see how they can multiply all 4 of those numbers using each one once to get the largest product. So let's see what we've got. Who's got an answer?
I do.
You do? What have you got?
I times 32 and 41 and I got 13, 12.
So you went 32 times 41, got 1,312. What did you do?
I times 42 times 31 and I got 122. I messed up.
Okay, so you can keep on working on it, right? All right, keep on going. So right now we've got 32 times 41. Is that what you did? So 32 times 41, that's the largest thing that we've got so far. Does anybody have anything larger than 32 times 41? What have you got?
I have 4 to the power of 3 times 21.
Oh, my. Look at that, using exponents. So 4 to the 3rd power is what?
Is 64.
Right, 64. Now, using an exponent, she used the largest number, right, and then put the next largest number as the exponent. So 4 to the 3rd is 64. What is 3 to the 4th? So go ahead and work that out. 3 to the 4th. So 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Now you got 27 times 3. Now that's larger than 64, isn't it? So could you make a larger number?
Yes.
So instead of going 4 to the 3rd, go 3 to the 4th times. You guys see how you can get a larger number that way? By using an exponent? So nicely done using the exponents right there, all right? Now I've got a challenge for you guys, all right, because we saw how you can get a really big number doing it that way using exponents. Here, now, you must set it up like this, all right? It has to be set up like this, where you have a 2-digit number times a 1-digit number. So can you use all 4 numbers? No, there's only 3 spots. All right? Okay? So if there are only 3 spots, and it has to be set up like this, using the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, what number do you think you're going to eliminate?
1.
1, right? Why do you want to get rid of 1?
Because if you times 1 at the bottom, it would just be the same number.
Right. Okay, and you're not going to get much if you put it anyplace else either, right? So, think about that. I'm going to give you guys another minute. See who can come up with the largest product using this format now. All right, go. Largest number possible using that format and the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, but it sounded like you all agreed you're not going to use the 1. All right? So who thinks they have the largest number? 2 of you? 3 of you? No? Not 4 of you? 4 of you? There we go. We've got 4. Do we have 5? Do we have 5? Well, now we got 5. Do we have 6? We got 6? All right, we're stuck at 5. All right. So here's what I want you guys to do. At your table, take a look at each of your work. See who definitely has the largest number and come up with a consensus. Like for your table, that is the number we're going with. 128. What did you guys come up with as the largest? So you guys all got 128? All right. 128? 128? All right. You know what? You're right at the end right there. Why don't you go on up to the board and show us what your group came up with as the final answer that you think is the largest product? You got a 3, a 2, and a 4, so very good, not using the 1. And she came up with 128. Any other answer higher than that? All right, you guys were able to do the challenge right there. Nicely done, using the numbers 1 through 4 in that sequence, using it in that pattern right there. That's how you do it. Easily done. The students at Maricopa Middle School in 7th and 8th grade.